Welcome to Vlog 4. In this episode, we're gonna linya with my homies. Shibala.
Yeah.
It's like a sauna in here. My first time hanging up a hammock. Let's get it. Welcome to a military range. Where are we?
Pew pew, shot you down.
We are at a military shooting range
In Gotland.
called Blå Häll.
They were closed off and they opened yesterday or today?
I think yesterday or 2 days ago.
Yeah.
We're just driving around. Sometimes you can see some old buildings, and sometimes you can see the trails of tanks, like here. I don't know if you can see it. And then
What is this for?
things like this. I don't know what that is. It's like a target.
They just stand there to like check and then pew pew.
Yeah.
Go back.
A shot. You can take cover, and then you can shoot from this place.
I don't know. I
Maybe.
don't think that is that. Eller? Det är två högar där inne.
I don't know.
I love this.
Är det kul att Can the car won't break, right?
No.
It's made for this.
No, it is made for this. The thing that we hear underneath is because there's a metal plate, a skid plate underneath to protect the engine underneath.
Okay, so it's okay to scratch that then.
Yeah.
Good to know. See, you learn something every day.
Look, there's a sign. It says no tank. Well, we're not driving a tank, so it's okay.
Oh. Ja.
Ja, jättefint. Wow, vilken klipp. Alltså, gud. Wow.
Ja, är det en repa?
It is?
So this is where we live. This is a military base or a military shooting range. That's a human hip bone. We got a Chinese canister. I don't know what this is. It could be air, could be something else. We got a sunset. We got a little camping site. We got old water. We got people. Let's get it. Welcome to a military range. Today's video is sponsored to you by Naturbumler, a German outdoor brand making it easy to turn any car into an adventure. The rooftop tents are lightweight, quick to set up and super comfortable, so you can wake up anywhere with a view. Naturbumler also offers smart outdoor gears like camping chairs, hammocks, supports, everything designed for freedom, flexibility and real adventure. Check them out at naturbumler.de, link in the descriptions. Thanks to Naturbumler for sponsoring this video. Now, let's get back to today's adventure. So, this is our tent,
Welcome to our crib.
and it's super hot.
Yeah.
It's like a sauna in here. But we're gonna show you how we decorate our tent, or first we got a mattress. These air mattresses are super comfortable. Like it doesn't really feel like you're sleeping on the ground or rocks in this case.
Mammut.
But we're not sponsored by them, so we're gonna censor that out.
Sponsored by my mom. So I'm going to lay this mattress down straight and let's demonstrate how you inflate these. Okay. The easiest is to just inflate it by breathing air in, but I think in the long run maybe it's not okay for your lungs. So you can do this. You can just do staying alive, staying alive. Dun, 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 dun.
we like a bug-free environment. So if I see a bug in here, I'm sorry, but they have to go. I got this hammock. I'm gonna put it up here. And we're gonna relax here, chill a little bit. I never used this before, so I don't really know how to use it, but you're gonna do it with me. We're gonna learn together. You feel me? I feel like this is the hammock, like the bag itself is the hammock. I'm putting up tree protectors. You know, you gotta protect the tree. You have to take care of nature when you're using nature. You know what I mean? So what, we got this secure thing. And then all we need to do now is to put this strap on, I think. Gonna put it in here, put it in there. And there, you have your hammock. Does it look okay? Yeah. That's how you build a hammock. And that's how you live life. My first time hanging up a hammock. Där är reklam för någonsin alltså.
Den sponsrar oss. Så jag tror typ den här är klar. Ska vi ta med någon kök då? Alltså, jag vill inte lägga på det här. Sen har jag cabbage. Jag vet inte om de vill ha det på eller inte.
They want the food, alltså.
The one my beer.
Det här målet, jag har inte beställt.
Nej, fy fan.
Oh. Här är det ägg. Du måste ta ägg.
Ja, nu måste jag ta ägg.
Ja. Här, vänta. Kom hit.
One of the best things about instant ramen is that you can take it with you when you're camping.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it's so true.
And if you like ramen, watch our ramen video. Where we try like 10, 20 different ramen packages from different brands.
Du får skopa upp om du vill ha med. Jag spillde.
Spicy.
No,
Nej, varmt
flugor.
tror jag.
Yeah, comfort food.
Jättegott. So tasty.
Okay, look at this view. So nice, right? So this is the inside of our tent. We got a lamp out there, and we have headband lamps, but we only have one, and
don't
then we
really
have
use
a
them.
pocket lamp,
Yeah.
a flashlight, basically. This is where we're gonna be sleeping. We're gonna have this open because it gets really hot. If it starts to rain tomorrow, that's gonna be a little problem, but
No worries.
we'll figure it out. And we don't have pillows, so what do if you don't have pillows? You can either use your hoodie as a pillow, or
Where is it?
what we're gonna do is the Naturbumler pillow. This is the cushion for the head for the chair,
Yeah, it's great.
the camping chair. So get 2 chairs, one for you, one for your babe, and then you're good to go. Sleep, sitting, be in a tent.
The beach.
All right, I think we're gonna try to charge some batteries and sleep.
Good night.
Good sandwich. Yeah,
What is it?
it's ham, tomato, cheese, toast, and Dijon mustard, I guess. Yeah, really good one. You should come
145.
to Leva something in Gotland.
Vadå, den är mixad? Alltså...
So right now we're at Själsö Bageri, and we're gonna have a fika here and then go for dinner, I guess. This is basically the last day, so after this we're gonna go back home, and we're leaving at 5 a.m. in the morning.
We got the classic,
It's like a cinnamon bun, but vanilla and extra cream in the middle.
and then we have a classic kladdkaka, like chocolate cake with chocolate mousse on, and then strawberries and sea salt flakes. So this is similar, like sponge cake vibes. Pudding. Let me get a bit of both. Oh, this is like Nutella. It's not like chocolate mousse. It's so sticky, chocolatey, sweet, and then the strawberries and sea salt is so good together.
Okay.
Yeah, it's so dewy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Oh yeah. Good combination
Yeah.
with the sea salt at like as the pricken över i, you know. How do you say it?
The cherry on top.
Cherry on top. Sugar on top. The salt on top. Really good. Recommend.
Film you now.
No, good.
It's good?
Like a typical cinnamon bun, but vanilla. And then the cream in the middle. Yeah. It's like a wienerbröd. But, you know, kanelbulle form.
Yeah.
Both are really good.
Thumbnail.
Vill du springa?
Ska jag springa? Var ska jag springa någonstans?
Typ här dit.
Okej, vänta vi backar lite. Okej, you ready?
Spring.
Spring! Oh! Yeah! Fly! Tror du måste släppa snöre.
Släpp snöret! Mer! We are now at Salthamn, our last dinner before leaving Gotland. Are you excited? Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm not like hungry, but I'm craving a drink.
Let's get it. Let's get lit.
Yeah.
Som ett slagord i magen.
So they have a little shop with clothings and furnitures.
Decorations.
Everything.
Fria fåglar flyger högst. Tyngden och bräckligheten rör sig däremellan.
Vad är det där?
Filmkamera. We got the saffron cake, just like the chocolate cake.
I need to get one of the berries.
I still think the chocolate is better, but this has a lot of saffron flavor.
My god, they are not cheap with saffron in Gotland.
It's a lot of saffron flavor,
It's
but
so flavorful.
this is really good.
Yeah, it's kind of like sweet and savory, you know?
Yeah. It does feel like it's been laid out for, you know, like 12 hours or more, which it has because we bought it yesterday. Look at it. Moist, crunchy, dewy, creamy, saffrony, sweet,
The berries help out.
sour. Yeah, the berries are a little bit sour.
Sour, sweet, gone. Sour patches.
It's 5 a.m. and we're eating cake. So we're just gonna finish this and then go back to sleep. It's fine.
Yeah?
I wouldn't eat it, but it's fine.
Oh, that's so sour.
I'm gonna turn it off. Hi, my name is Vincent,
And I'm Gigi.
and thank you for watching this video.
If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to comment and give this video a thumbs up.
Whoop whoop!
And watch our next video.